Hello everyone, my digital marketers, field marketers, entrepreneurs out there. Isaiah Primm. Today I'm going to talk about lead lightning in my opinion and why I like it, why you should like it, and etc. One, it's affordable. $7. You can afford it. Anybody can afford $7 unless you're spending on things that doesn't make sense. Two, no tech. Everybody's not techie. Everybody wants a simple thing. We don't have to do all the technical work and all that. This is systems for you. And number three, the training. They'll show you how to market. They'll show you what tools to use, how to use free ads, when I have to use pay ads like solar ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and etc. And also teach you other things. Now, the cons. Everybody saying it was an intermail, multi-level marketing. I don't think it is, in my opinion. Not like other companies where you earn pennies and you don't get nothing. You earn those little pennies yeah. And two, you have the upsells. You have to purchase them to order to earn income. That's not really true. You can start for $7 and make $6 commissions and add up, and then you're ready, then you can take it to the next level. And number three, there's only two I can come up with. Now, y'all want to know about my opinion, right? I think it's a good system, in my opinion. Yes, I got leads, but no sales, but in my opinion, it's great. They change, they update every year, they train you in new things like AI and etc. Not a bad program for a $7 product that's been around since 2013. Very workable. The owners, transparent, honest, not some ghost owners like some of these other companies I'm being in, where you got to figure out who the owner is, or the owner is too good to be true, which is I don't like. But overall, it's a great system. I love it. I'm gonna keep working on it, and I'm gonna make sure that I help others do the same. If you want to know more, or you want to see for yourself, the link will be in the description. If you got questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be available. I'll help. I'm not gonna be like most of these leaders that just goes around and just like, oh, I'm not gonna help you. No, that's not how I do things. I'm not gonna treat you like a money son. I'm gonna treat you like a human being. That's what I do. I'm not gonna treat you like no money sign. I understand you gotta make money, but that's not how you treat your customers, because that's how people don't trust you, and they're gonna go find somebody else, and that's not good. I wish most of these leaders will do that, but they don't. But if you want to know the link will be in the description. As always, stay focused, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.